Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD, pound dollar on the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and start by mapping out the range that we're currently dealing with. And this is the overall range, starting from these lows. So as you can see, it's making higher highs, higher lows range for a while. Now with the current price action, start to break out, still breaking structure to the upside. And clearly this is the overall range that did break these highs. But now we're dealing with a sideways range. Not seeing any setups right now. Still waiting for the markets to make a decision on the dollar index or any type of news that may be coming soon. Like I said, it's just been trading sideways. Not seeing any type of indication that it's going to pull back. So I've been waiting to see if this is going to pull back anywhere down to any sort of demand zone in order to continue pushing higher and break new highs, or it could just break new highs from the current position that it's in. But just looking to see any momentum shift and any direction choice in the markets. EUR USD, looking at the overall range. This was the low. It's the internal range it's dealing with. Yesterday I did it from this one because this was the higher low, expecting it to break out, but it's the overall range. It hasn't broken the high of the range. With the current price structure, started change character, breaking structure. But again, I was saying this is reacting from this supply area, hasn't been able to break out past it, waiting on the other dollar pairs in correlation. But right now, there's liquidity building under these lows in the current structure. So this is, you can see it currently ascending price action. Forming somewhat of a bear flag, and high probability wise it could come down and sweep out, take out this liquidity before moving higher, or it could even retrace back lower down to any of these areas of demand and then push higher. But right now, no current setup for any buy or sell. Waiting to see for the markets to make a decision. It could end up being a double top, but again, we just have to wait to see where the momentum goes. If it does break out, then I'll be looking for any type of retracement in order to take it to higher prices. If it pushes back down, I'll be looking again for any momentum shift in the bullish direction to continue pushing up. AUD USD, and let's go ahead and map out the current range from the lows to the current and most recent high. And this did break out past the highs, it's making high highs. Before I was saying this is spring, swept liquidity, started breaking out past the highs, range, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But now it looks currently that it has started, it still looks corrective, but it did start breaking out and changing structure to the downside. This did look like it is a descending channel, looks like a bear flag, hasn't made any type of significant push outside of the flag yet, or outside of the channel. But now it's just looking more bearish than the bullish structure that it was in. But still expecting it to hit a point and then the bulls to buy to step back in and then push forward and push past these highs. But right now it's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. There was some news last night on the Aussie dollar or New Zealand dollar. It wasn't too good, causing it to weaken against the dollar. So waiting for any type of signal that the buyers are ready to step back in. But like I said, since it's already broke, change character, broke structure, I would be looking for any type of retreat, pull back into this area to take out some of the liquidity, and then retrace back down if this is a confirmation of a bearish structure. So we just be on the lookout for any type of momentum shift in either direction. But right now I don't see a setup. Could continue to push down, hit this area of demand, and then push up. Like I said, but it's already changing character, so it could just push up just to push back down. So we'll wait and see, and if there's any opportunities for a buy into the USD. So on the chart, let's go ahead and map out the range. Making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, ranging. Now we're tracing back from these highs that it made in the current range. Unlike AUD USD, it did not break past these lows yet, but it could possibly do that. Waiting to see if there's any type of momentum shift, any type of bullish momentum shift from this area of demand or from the area that it's right currently in, to see it push forward. But expecting it to target the highs and break out past the range and then retrace back and take a buy. But like I said, it's looking weaker, just like AUD USD could just retrace or push forward and then go right back down, targeting discount area of the range. So any type of window shift and any type of decision on the market's part. GBP AUD. We're looking at this trading sideways. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. In the overall daily structure, he said retrace back from this bullish push into discount, started pushing forward, seller step back in, buyer step back in from this discount, from this demand area in discount, and then started trading sideways. Now it's pushing prices higher, started breaking structure, changing character, but I was waiting to see if it could pull back and break this demand zone, then I would target the lows. But also saying if it could target these highs, and that means the buyers are getting stronger and it's ready to break out possibly past the highs and then take a retracement. Right now it's not giving any type of pullback. It could just continue going and breaking past these highs, and then I'll be looking for any type of retracement and then target the overall highs of the whole structure. Like I said, it went back into discount, and then I'll be targeting these highs in order to see if we take any opportunity in the bullish momentum. GBP NZD, similar chart. Overall structure came back, retraced 50%, and then the buy step back in. And we've been trading sideways, but making higher highs, higher lows. It's looking more bullish. I believe I said that yesterday, that this was trading sideways, but it's looking more bullish. Even though there is liquidity sitting under these lows, it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but still within the range. But now, after it broke structure and changed character, now it has actually broken out past this in the range. Unlike GBP AUD, never retraced back into the demand zone, but now it looks like buyers have been able to break out past the high of the range. So it's confirmation to me that I'll be waiting for any type of retracement back in order to take up any opportunity for a buy when those momentum shifts back and target the highs of the overall range up here. But like before, when I was first looking at this chart, this type of impulse was not giving any type of retracement that I would like to see. It really was just, like I said, on rocket fuel, just buyers just stepping up and pushing the prices forward without any type of retracement. And it looks like it's starting to do that again. Like this isn't a retracement for me, in my opinion. I would like to see a deeper retracement for another opportunity to buy. But I have to go down to the lower time frame if it does continue pushing forward, and then start retracing a little bit, going to a lower time frame to see if there's an opportunity there for a buy to take the prices higher. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.